Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Muhammad Shafiq bin Muhammad Udin and I'm from class DLH 2A. My metric number is F2055. Today I will present about uses and function of plants. Okay, the plants that I chose are mainly medicinal and aromatic plants. For medicinal, I chose Orthosiphon aristatus and Andrographis paniculata. And for aromatic plant, I choose Ocimum basilicum and Salvia rosmarinus. Okay, next, the definition of medicinal plant. Medicinal plants is a plant that is used as natural medicines. Cures have been derived from the roots, stems, leaves, fruits, and bark for generations. Okay, the first plant for medicinal plant is Orthosiphon aristatus, commonly known as cat whiskers. Cat whiskers came from Lamiaceae family, and its habitat is mainly from tropical Asia. Okay, next is cat whiskers is a perennial herb that can grow up to 1 meter tall. The leaf of the plant is dark green, and flower is two-leaf flower with hairy whiskers, 5 cm long. And propagation technique used for this plant is stem cutting. And ethnobotanical uses for this plant is mainly medicinal. For example, to stimulate urination and for gout. These are its landscaping features. It mostly used for parks and gardens and small gardens. Next is Andrographis paniculata, commonly known as beetroot. It came from the Acanthaceae family, and it's mainly from India and Sri Lanka. Okay, the beetroot is an annual herb that can grow up to 0.5 meter tall, and its leaves is narrow oval shape, and the flower is two-leaf tubular flowers that is white in color with purple dots. The propagation used for this plant is seed and stem cutting. The ethnobotanical uses for this plant is mainly medicinal, and the fruit is in capsule shape. For the landscape features of the beetroot, it can be used for container planting and coastal, and can be used for economic garden. Next, we go into aromatic plant. Aromatic plant is a plant that contains aromatic essential oils that are extracted for perfumery, cosmetic, and flavoring. For the first aromatic plant is Ocimum basilicum, or its common name is Thai basil, and it came from the Lamiaceae family, and its natural habitat is from Thai, Vietnam, Laos, and Cambodia. For its characteristics, it is an herbaceous plant that can grow to up to 30 to 45 cm tall, and it has dark green shiny leaves, often have purple veins, and it can be propagated by seed and stem cutting. Also, it can be used for food, especially for cooking, because it has aromatic it can produce aromatic smell. Next is its landscaping feature. It can be used for small gardens, interior scape, indoor plant, and container planting. For thematic landscaping, it can be used as fragrant aromatic garden or economic garden. For the last one is a plant named Salvia rosmarinus, or commonly known as rosemary. It is from Lamiaceae family and it came from Mediterranean region. Okay, rosemary is mainly a perennial shrubs that can grow up to 2 meter tall and 1.5 meter spread. It has needle-like leaves and the flower is two-lipped and tubular and is bluish, whitish or bluish purple in color. For the propagation technique used for this plant is stem cutting and root cutting. The ethnobotanical uses for this plant is mainly for food, and the fruits is mainly known as nutlets. Lastly is the landscaping features. For the landscaping features, it can be used as topiary container planting, and for thematic landscaping, it can be used for fragrant aromatherapy garden or economic garden. Okay, that's all for the presentation. Thank you for staying tuned to my video.